Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could completely change the way you think about money financial planners. If you've ever wondered how a financial planner can help you build wealth, save smarter, and plan for the future, stick around. Let's break down the top 5 reasons why hiring a financial planner might be the best decision you make for your financial health. What is a financial planner? Before we get into the benefits, let's quickly clarify what a financial planner actually does. A financial planner is a certified professional who helps you create a long-term strategy to achieve your financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debt, buying a home, or simply managing day-to-day expenses, they provide expert guidance tailored to your specific situation. Benefit number 1, expert advice on financial goals. First up, expert advice. We all have financial goals, but let's be honest, sometimes they feel more like dreams than achievable plans. A financial planner helps bridge that gap by giving you personalized advice on how to reach your specific goals. Whether it's maximizing your retirement fund, saving for your kids' college, or investing in the stock market, they can tailor a strategy based on your current financial situation and long-term objectives. Benefit number 2, better investment strategies. Now, let's talk about investing. With so many investment options out there, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. A financial planner can help cut through the noise. They analyze your risk tolerance and time horizon to recommend the best investment options for you. They can also help you avoid common investing mistakes like chasing trends or making emotional decisions. Debt. It's something many of us struggle with, but a financial planner can help you manage it more effectively. They'll evaluate your debts, including interest rates and payment schedules, and create a repayment plan that works for your budget. Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or a mortgage, having a structured approach to paying off debt can reduce stress and save you money in the long run. Next, let's talk taxes. Most of us are probably paying more in taxes than we need to. A financial planner knows the ins and outs of tax laws and can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. They'll advise on tax-efficient investment strategies, charitable donations, and deductions you might not even know you qualify for. Basically, they help you navigate tax season with fewer headaches and more savings. Last but certainly not least is retirement planning. We all dream of a comfortable retirement, but getting there takes careful planning. A financial planner can help you figure out exactly how much you need to save, which retirement accounts to prioritize, and what your investment portfolio should look like. They'll also adjust your plan as life circumstances change, ensuring you stay on track for that dream retirement. So, do you need a financial planner? If you're feeling uncertain about how to reach your financial goals, struggling to manage debt, or want to optimize your investments and taxes, the answer might be yes. You don't need to be wealthy to benefit from one. In fact, working with a financial planner can help you build wealth more effectively by creating a roadmap that suits your lifestyle and goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal finance and wealth building strategies. And let me know in the comments, have you ever worked with a financial planner, or are you thinking about it now? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.